Sciemetric was formed in 1981, and in the mid-90s we started working with Ford Motor Company to develop a novel method to test internal combustion engines. And it was based on the large-scale use of signature analysis. Since that time, we've delivered thousands of systems worldwide and many, many different applications. We have a global support base and global support presence around the world now. We work with a lot of the Fortune 100 companies and have delivered many systems to them, including companies like Johnson & Johnson, Medtronic, Caterpillar, Borg Warner, Ford Motor Company. What really is at the center of this is we have a great team of very bright, talented engineers. I think no one's walked more assembly and manufacturing lines in the world than our team, and that gives us the ability to deliver this value to our customers.
Why do they choose Sciemetric? A lot of it based on our actual experience, and again, the ease of use of our product, the actual interchangeable ability of our product, the idea to be able to have one common product across the complete assembly line, that you have a common look and feel and a common hardware platform, makes it very, very simple to actually be able to have these out-of-the-box solutions, be able to set up manufacturing and testing in-process test techniques very, very easily.
The advantages of the Sciemetric approach are, number one, signature analysis. We have a unique approach to the way we monitor process signatures and a mathematical toolkit that can dissect and make sense of them very quickly. Number two, analytics. We have the database and the reporting infrastructure to allow plant personnel to quickly get at the data they need to make changes, thereby driving up yield and managing quality. And number three, universality. The Sciemetric technology is very flexible and it can be applied end-to-end anywhere on the assembly system, so it allows you to measure what you need, when you need, and you don't have to use many different systems to tie the data together.
The thing that's going on in plants right now is people do not have process insight to what is actually happening. What we offer as a solution is that process insight. We make it easier for people to look at both their process and their product to make sure they can duplicate a high-quality product every single time out the door. And if something does go awry, they can either figure out and find the root cause either in the product and or the process.
There are three phases to a product life cycle: process and product development, manufacturing execution, and post-shipment. In process and product development, we help our customers really understand the processes that go into making a part and all the factors that affect output quality. When it goes into manufacturing execution, we help our customers to understand when the process has gone wrong and when defects might be introduced into the product.
Our software development is driven by, I guess, our customers' quality in the end. We have to provide a system that can allow our end customers to determine the quality of their product. So making it something that's easy to use, adaptable to their situation, something that many different levels of their environment can understand and can make sense of and use. We've been striving to take it out of the mathematicians and the PhDs and bring it down to a level where more people with less of a mathematical background can actually use the tools and make sense out of them.
In a lot of manufacturing situations, they look at red light, green light, pass, fail. They keep it very simple, maybe scalar values. One of the advantages of Sciemetric is looking at process signature verification. You grab the complete waveform from what the actual sensor does. So really, you're taking the heartbeat of what the actual process or product did in that particular manufacturing situation. So now that I have this complete signature, I can sit there and slice and dice it and look at it many ways to make sure that I produce the same part or the same process every single time.
Process signatures give a lot more insight into a process than typical SPC type measurement of processes. With process signatures, you can really understand the physical and electrical properties of any process, and in the quest for more data, they allow you to make more informed decisions about changing your process.
Process signature technology allows us to look deep into a manufacturing process and understand what's going on right inside. So the way we do this is by measuring external signals, whether it's pressure, temperature, voltage, current, distance, anything that can be measured, vibration, sound, and collecting high-speed waveforms. So we get right down to the microseconds. We collect these waveforms. A waveform is a form of a picture of what happened inside or during the manufacturing process. So from that picture, that waveform, that series of data points, we do mathematical processes. And then what we do is we extract what we call scalar values, so just point values, whatever that might be. That's the area under the curve, that's a peak, whatever it might be. We call these features. So it allows you to combine it all together. Root cause is much easier to determine because you can see things that are unique in your process and relate that to other processes within the manufacturing line, and determine where the real problem happened and solve it upstream and actually catch it upstream so it doesn't occur later on in the manufacturing process.
Sciemetric technology enables our customers to gain great insight into their manufacturing and quality processes. We're able to cover the spectrum, end-to-end measurement, and the software helps you completely understand how the process is working. And because we have this holistic approach, it allows us to drive up first-time yield to 100%, to manage and improve quality, and at the end to reduce cost and really deliver a high ROI to our customers.